sabihin bukas na malaman kung ang schedule ka ay ano ang schedule during Ramadan, during the schedule. De Annalyn, dito tayo. Gregory Paras, hi, thank you so much. Ayan, dito ko na kayo kausapin kasi wala akong trabaho ngayon. Umaga busy ako kaya natapos ko na agad. Thank you so much. So, ang cellphone ko na to ay hindi gagana. Ang green effect. Pero sa iPhone pala, bunggahan. Pwede ako kapalit-palit ng green effect. Ano bunggahan? Tapos, pwede din niyang gagamitin ko ganito. Kuha ako ng isang style na mas maganda. At hanapin ko. Ayan. Ayan ba? Ayan. Ayan. Parang mas okay ito. Ayan, kasi may Arabic. Ay, wala siyang flag. Wala siyang flag. Ano, gusto ko kasi may flag. Oh. 20 million in the house. Wow. Thank you so much. You know, this is, I want to change, guys, for you. I think this is not okay for our visitor. Yes, this is a welcome to our visitor. Yeah, it's better this one. Happy holiday, everyone. Ayan. So, it's a National and Liberation Day sa Kuwait. So, ayun. Oo, day, ang dami. Ganyan man yan sila kasi ang daming holiday ngayon. So, mas bunggahan ito ang ating background. Guys, if you know or if you want to be like this using the green effect, you can unbox and you can ask me how. I will teach you. Now, diba? Anyway, in my new Samsung, not applicable ang green effect. But in my iPhone, wow, bunggahan. Thank you, everyone. 12 million in the house. Thank you so much. Day Annalyn, mga friend, kuman yan, mga dati-dati yan. Kasi nga, di ba, every time ka-live ako, kapasok sila. Tapos, halos ngayon ay may mga holiday. Guys, enjoy your holiday. Alright, everybody stay at home, cooking, ger. And then, afternoon, yala, slowly, go to bahar, go to dessert, and then, sawi, ger, sawi TikTok. Sawi vlog, ano. Uso na ngayon ang, sa holiday namin ngayon, day. Pero ako, nag-duty kasi, syempre, sayang naman, is our season eh. Syempre, kung babayaran ka ng amo, why not, diba? Kaya kailangan natin mag-duty, mag-work. Go to other house and eat and ger. O, diba? Yes, in the house, there are so many people there staying that don't, like, only me, I have work. No, 2 person I have. Yeah, I think we are 3 only have work today. Everybody in the house. So, in the house are busy. Oh my God. Yes, in the afternoon, this is very nice, Ami, because you can go to the seaside, meet some friendship, diba? Sadik, diba? Celebrate the holiday, banding, shisha, diba? Yes, nako, mahihirapan naman tayo at mapapagod naman tayo sa pag like ng mga dito, mga post ng mga iba. Diba? Mas maganda itong yung ating background, hala day, bunggahan na. If you want to use this hala day, guys, background or any background you want, I will teach you guys, okay? So, very easy mga mother. Just only you have a picture in your gallery, and then there is 1, 2, 3, 4 like flip microphone, like effect, and 1, 2, 3. Number 4 is the green